Chapter 5, How to find profitable items to sell. So we have to find profitable items on the site, that is Craigslist, to sell. We need to focus on products which have good demand and supply and better profit margin. So there are few factors which we have to consider. First, we need to focus on products which have good demand and supply. That means demand is also higher, supply is also higher. So we have to focus on that products. And also the third factor here is profit margin. So better profit margin is also important. First, supply. People always change their preferences, tastes, and also have need to go for an upgrade. That means while considering this factor of supply, we should understand that people have taste and they want upgrade of devices. So people always change their preferences, tastes, and also have need to go for an upgrade. That means uh, supply is not supply should be according to it. So it is not like we are delivering a product which is successful in today's time, and it will continuously run throughout the years, for certain years. So this is not possible. So we should understand people and their tastes also, and their need for upgrade. That means upgrade is like when we buy a new smartphone or cell phone with latest features, so that we can call an upgrade over our previous phone. So that is an upgrade. So people also need an upgrade also. Now, demand. Market for used appliances is increasing day by day as people can purchase them on low cost. So demand is also increasing because market for used appliances is increasing day by day. That means it is uh, from previous day it is more now. Demand for used appliances is more, and as people can purchase them on low cost, and some people are purchasing those appliances on low cost, so demand is also increasing now. Now another factor is profit margin. You should buy products of highest quality and lowest price. Purchase of these products, clean them properly, rectify them. That means you should buy products of highest quality and lowest price means the price should be low but quality should be moderate. So we will understand by experience that the quality of product should be moderate and price should be low. Purchase these products, that means we have to uh, uh, buy these products and take to our storage area, then clean them properly and rectify them. Clean them properly means for example, if we are buying a car, then we have to do car wash for it, then rectify them is means solving their problems. That means if they are repaired or broken, then we have to solve that also. So that is rectifying them. Now be quick delivering for sellers and receiving for buyers. You should go to pick good deals at earliest, and same should be case for delivering products. So be quick means you should fast delivery should be fast, and receiving should be fast. That means you should be good you should go to pick up good deals at earliest. That means otherwise another person will buy that good deal. So we have to go to pick up those good deals earliest. Now, cleaning the product. Cleaning the product. Always clean product inside out and make sure you have a complete knowledge of items you are dealing with. That means you have to clean that product thoroughly, and you should also know that what item we are dealing with. So that is about cleaning the product. high quality products. With time and experience, you will learn which models and brands are are of good quality. That means we should buy high quality products. High quality products means uh, which are uh, which are considerably at good condition. That means you will understand by experience that which models and brands are of good quality, that you will understand.